These guys see me. Whether they're used for food or is this in ready to charge. Hopefully that fence will hold. Alright, y'all go get your breakfast. Y'all need to go catch up with those other guys. Yep. He knows that there's a weak spot in that fence somewhere. He's going to get to me. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Glad those guys just didn't sneak up on me. Yep, now they're all going. Holy cow. You see that? Oh, there's a little